We've just arrived at Ayutthaya floating market, and if you wish to come here, guys, it's a double priced event, 200 baht for foreigners. Nice little area. Is it worth 200 baht? Probably not. So go for a walk around and see what can be found here. Get a picture taken here for another 100 baht if you wish. I think I'll be taking up on that opportunity today. At the end of the day, guys, when we have this dual pricing in places like floating markets, at the end of the day people come in here to spend money, but you've got to spend money to get in to spend money, which is a bit ridiculous to me. But nice area to walk around, that's all I can say about it. Quite an interesting old bullet nose tuk-tuk in a little bit of a sad state. Reminds me of the old car up in Thailand in Bangkok that's been there for about 30 years. Nice little centre point there.
เขาเดินอยู่เดินไปสิเดินไปสิเท้าเด็ก100 เดียวจ้าเกงมวยเด็กก็มี
Looks like some of these units have not been used for a long time. They're falling into a bit of a ruin there, and the tables certainly and chairs not been sat on for quite a long time.
ได้นะคะทำไมร้อนทำไม
Presumably you can get your sweet corn here, but today it's not open. Quite a lot of people eating here though. That's quite surprising. So, go and try and catch up with the wife. We have some nice prawn here, I think. So you can guarantee it's fresh. Swaddy cap. Look good. Hello.
Yeah, very good. Thank you, thank you.
So, I'm going to stop here and find something to eat. What you want to eat, Chilak? Okay. You're going to have kung? Okay. I'm just going to video up here, I'll come back. So while the wife is ordering something to eat, we'll just have a quick look at that jumbo pork ball. Look very nice. And here we have the official signs. Welcome to Ayutthaya floating market. I don't know what the space is between the L and the C, but maybe I'll find out before I leave. So as you can see just along there, many people sitting on the side of this small lake and eating. So after we've had our own food, we'll carry on walking around and I'll show you the rest of it. At the moment I'm hungry and I need something cool to drink. So really looking forward to it. And your noodles still not arrived. Pork fried rice, the prawns look very, very nice actually. Look nice. So we now finished our food. Wasn't exceptional by any standards, but it was filling, and that's really all I want to say about it, to be honest. Quite a lot of people here today enjoying a leisurely lunch. Quite a few little shops, you buy shorts, t-shirts and other small items of clothing. I would imagine that all these stall holders get a cut of the entrance fee. Plenty of small little shops here. You can buy coffee and drinks and something to eat. Quite a nice central point there. Old thatch roof. Thai popsicles if you want something to cool your mouth down a little bit. Can rent a Thai dress there for 100 baht. This is quite a nice little floating market actually. It's somewhere to walk around.
ประมาณ10 บาทกันเลยค่ะน้องกดฟังยังกินยังไม่ได้วนได้มันต้องวนกันนะไปที่ว่าไปนี้วนมาไอติมกะทิสดจ้าหวานมาทาอร่อยนะคะวายไหมไปเดินขายที่เรือหรือตลาดก็มีขายาก่อนได้นะคะผู้ใหญ่30 บาท20 บาทเท่านั้นค่ะนั่งเรือชมทิวทัศน์รอบตลาดน้ำ
Thanks very much for watching this little walk around at the Ayutthaya floating market. Sad to say, a little bit disappointed in the quality of the food, but it is what it is. So with that, my friends, take care of yourselves, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.